So what's up guys, welcome to HTML tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be making use of the Visual Studio Code software to write the code. So let me show you how to create a HTML file. Okay, so click on file, click on new file, and after that this untitled -1 file will be created. Now I have to rename this file. Okay, so I will again click on file, click on save as, and in order to make use of this file as a HTML, we have to give the .html extension to this file. Okay, so you can first of all you should be giving the name to the file. You can give the name almost anything. I will give my name, and .html extension is important. Okay, so since we are making use of the HTML and we are learning HTML in this course, so whenever you want to execute or work with the HTML file, .html extension is important. Okay, so now save this file. Okay, so now as can be seen, name of our file is akshay.html. So when it comes to the HTML, HTML file is identified with the HTML tag. Okay, so write HTML over here and hit enter key. So now this software will automatically write this code for you. Whenever we are working with the HTML, all the code goes inside of this HTML opening tag and HTML closing tag. Okay, so now when I'm talking about the HTML opening tag and the HTML closing tag, HTML opening tag is identified by the open angular bracket, then we write HTML, then the close angular bracket. This is known as the opening tag, and the closing tag is identified with the open angular bracket, then the backslash, then the HTML, then the the close angular bracket. Okay, so whatever that we write should be going inside of this opening and the closing tag of HTML. So inside of this opening HTML and the closing HTML tag, there is one more tag known as a head. Okay, so now let me just write the two main tags what goes over here. So inside of our HTML there are these two tags which are header tag and the body tag. Okay, so this is the head tag and this is a body tag. So I'm opening head body tag head tag, and I'm also closing that head tag. I'm also opening body tag, and I'm also closing my body tag. Okay, so whatever that you want to display on a web browser, that content should be going inside the scope of this body tag. Okay, so when it comes to this head tag, inside the head tag we have something known as the title, in which we give the title to our page. I will say my website. You can give any name, whatever name that you want to give to that particular page. That name should be going inside of this title opening and the title closing tag. And now what I will do is I will make use of the header h1. Okay, so let me discuss this header h1 in my next class. I will say this is my website. Okay, and now I will save this. I will come over here, I will save this file. Whenever you are executing this file, before executing that particular file, you have to save that file. Okay, so now we have saved this file on our desktop. I will go to my desktop and I will find this file over here. Okay, so it has been saved with akshay.html, and now the icon of this file is given as the icon of a browser. Okay, so now when I'll be opening this file will be getting open inside of the Chrome browser. I will open this file. Okay, so now as can be seen, I'm getting this output as this is my website. Okay, so whatever that you want to display over here, this is our output page, or you can say this is our web page. But since you are a beginner, you can say this is as your output page. Whatever that you write inside of this body tag, only those things will be rendered or displayed over here. Okay, so now if I am writing a few more things over here, I'm just providing the garbage value. Now since I have made the changes to the file, I will save this file. You can save this with the control plus yes, or you can save the file directly this way. And now I will come to my file, and now I will refresh my page to implement those changes over here. I will refresh, and now as can be seen, I'm getting that garbage value over here. Okay, so this is how you should be writing your HTML page. And whenever you want to render something on your browser page, you should be writing that content inside of the body tag, and that content will be propagated over there. Okay, so thanks for watching. This is the structure of our HTML page, and this is how you should be writing the code. So yeah, thanks for watching.